Welcome back to our videocast. Today we're focusing on tools and resources to make young people more aware on financial literacy, easier and more impactful. Joining me again, George and Alexander. Let's explore practice tools for youth workers. So first, before we dive into specific tools, let's talk about why they are important. George, your thoughts?
So using the right tools, this transforms financial literacy from something boring into something more engaging and can help like our work for sure, like our daily youth work. And at the same time, tools can simplify complex topics and make learning more interactive and more fun. And for sure, they will see the result is better from the evaluation of the young people.
Absolutely, and I think those type of tools also help you bridge certain gaps, namely if it's language or different knowledge levels on the topic. I think this is a great tool. So you can use different apps or different videos online and really tailor this depending on what the audience or what the participants, how they learn best and how they want to learn more about it.
Alexander, what's worked for you?
So I think making it, like we talked about before, trying to make it as fun as possible. And I think games is a great way to do this. Spendy and cash flow. I think those are two great alternatives where you can kind of simulate budgeting, investing to some extent, but mainly budgeting, which, like we talked in the last video or the last podcast, you can make it a bit more tailored and they can use it in their everyday life because they've practiced the skills in a practical way.
Exactly, this is a very good point because I really recommend the video platforms like YouTube on other streaming platforms because a lot of videos that exist in these platforms can break down a lot of topics and then they make it less complex for the young people, so the financial topic becomes more, let's say, attractive to them and appealing.
And I think sometimes you can also be very creative with the type of activities, group activities and challenges kind of for them. So sometimes we make hypothetical cases, which we print sort of like a worksheet, and this is kind of then like a role-playing game where participants are given a scenario. It can be running a small business or they get X amount of money which they need to save in different ways, and I think this is a great way to incorporate these things.
Yeah, and let's not forget applications. Budgeting apps like Tank or Mint are easy to use and help youth track their expenses in real time.
Yeah, and finally we can also mention like another platform like Kahoot, which is a very great for quiz, and you can use it a lot of times for your daily youth work because also I have created financial literacy quizzes and do Kahoot, and they really turn the learning experience into a very competitive game and a very fun in the end.
Yeah, I agree.
These are just a few of the tools we have tried. See you in next videos.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.